Well, like you, I went out shopping today and yesterday. I think the day before that, and the shelves are clear, and people just seem to be panicking over what's going on. Maybe rightfully so, but it hurts that you go to the grocery store and can't always get the things that you need. So I decided to look around my house and gather up some materials, just stuff I had laying around, and put together a little garden, a little raised garden. So check this out. a construction worker or contractor would probably look at that and go, what in the world are you doing? Because I know I didn't do everything right. Struggled a little bit, get this thing in the air. Had to modify and manipulate, but it's a good start. I think I'm going to add to it. I got some more wood that's just kind of sitting around, and I'm going to put some more vegetables in. Not that it's going to replace going to the grocery store, but it's kind of fun, So in these trying times, spend some time with loved ones. Turn your backyard into an adventure place to go, because it doesn't look like we're going to be traveling, and I know you come here and see these videos of us traveling around the world and around the country, and right now we're just going to have to travel in our backyard and in our living room. So hold those close to you that you love. Social distance yourself, but social media might be the new way that we communicate on the regular. Oh wait, maybe that's already the way. All right, until next time, when we get to take a trip and go somewhere. Right now, we're gonna just stay at home and see it from home.